Have you ever watched your dog spin in a circle before they poop and wondered what they're actually doing? Most people assume it's just a weird habit, something dogs do for no particular reason. It's not random at all, and the real explanation involves something most owners would never guess: a compass. Let's start with what scientists actually did to figure this out. In 2013, a team of researchers led by Czech biologist Hynek Berta spent over 2 years recording dogs going to the bathroom. Thousands of observations, 37 breeds, multiple countries. They weren't just being thorough for fun. They were testing a specific hypothesis that sounded almost too strange to take seriously. They suspected dogs could sense the Earth's magnetic field. This idea wasn't entirely new. Birds use magnetic fields to navigate during migration. So do some fish and insects. But proving an animal could sense magnetism is incredibly difficult, because you can't simply ask a dog which direction it thinks is north. You need a behavior. Something consistent, something measurable, something the dog does automatically without thinking about it. That's where the spinning came in. Berta's team recorded which direction dogs faced while defecating across thousands of instances under calm magnetic conditions. And a pattern emerged that was too consistent to be chance. Dogs overwhelmingly preferred to align their bodies along the north-south axis. Not east-west. Not randomly scattered in every direction. North-south, specifically, the same axis many migratory animals use to navigate. Even more telling, when the Earth's magnetic field was unstable, due to natural fluctuations that happen periodically, the dogs lost that preference almost entirely. Their alignment became random. The moment magnetic conditions stabilized again, the north-south preference returned. That's not a coincidence. That's a biological response to something invisible, something most humans have absolutely no conscious access to at all. So what is your dog actually sensing? The leading theory involves a sense called magnetoreception. Many animals appear to have specialized cells, possibly involving a protein called cryptochrome, that respond to the orientation of Earth's magnetic field. Some researchers believe this might work similarly to a tiny internal compass needle, embedded somewhere in the nervous system, constantly providing a subtle directional signal that the animal isn't necessarily aware of, but still responds to. Dogs aren't unique in this. Cattle and deer have been observed showing similar north-south alignment preferences while grazing and resting. Researchers studying satellite images of grazing herds found the same consistent pattern across continents, completely independent of wind direction or sunlight, the two most obvious alternative explanations. Which raises an obvious question. If dogs and cattle are quietly aligning themselves with the Earth's magnetic field constantly, why did anyone only notice this in 2013? Partly because the behavior is so mundane that nobody thought to study it seriously before. A dog circling before going to the bathroom looks like nothing more than sniffing, marking territory, or finding a comfortable spot. The actual mechanism was hiding inside one of the most overlooked, least glamorous behaviors an animal performs every single day. But here's the detail that makes this even stranger. Humans almost certainly have some magnetic sensitivity too, though the evidence is murkier and far less obvious. Studies measuring brain activity have found unusual responses to changing magnetic fields in some human subjects, even though those same subjects had no conscious awareness that anything had changed at all. If humans do retain some trace of this ancient sense, it appears to operate completely below conscious perception. Useless for navigation. Invisible. A leftover circuit from something deeper in our evolutionary past that dogs, apparently, still use. So the next time your dog spins before settling into position, what you're watching might not be a habit at all. It might be one of the last visible traces of a sense most animals have, that most humans have almost completely lost access to. A compass built into a body, doing its job quietly, every single day, completely unnoticed, until a group of researchers in the Czech Republic decided that watching dogs go to the bathroom for 2 years was worth taking seriously. So next time you watch your dog circle before they go, are you going to check which direction they actually settle on? Let us know in the comments. If this changed how you think about something your dog does every single day, that's exactly what this channel is for. Hit subscribe. Next time we might explore why dogs tilt their heads when you talk to them, or whether your cat actually knows its own name. Tell us which one you want first.